I'm trying to figure it out with you guys. I'm just.
Let me ask you this: have you been drinking tonight?
No, sir. I'm sick of this shit. But no, wait, wait, let me put my watch in my car.
A driver is stopped at night. Officers smell alcohol on his breath. He is coherent. He speaks clearly. He knows the law well enough to invoke it on camera.
I'm trying to figure it out with you guys. I'm just as confused.
All right, so let me ask you this: have you been drinking tonight?
No, sir.
You haven't. So where you been coming from?
I was working downtown. I manage all the private lots downtown.
Okay.
Parks, Rep, Hanks, all that. Those are all my private lots.
Okay, so let me ask you this then: just based off the traffic stop and
Yes,
whatnot, and because the officer smelled alcohol, are you willing to participate in?
No, sir, because I drive every day all around circles. Like that's what I do all day, brother. Like I get it. You're doing a job, but and you guys know, you see me all day. I drive around in circles all day. I get, but they're just like you know, my friends work in the service industry. I go visit bars when I'm working.
Okay, I understand all of that. I understand all of that. All right.
Yes,
so this is what I'm going to tell you. All right. Based off the information.
Okay.
All right. Just to let you know.
Are you going to try to do a DUI investigation? Because I'm going to refuse.
Well, that's why I'm asking you if
But
you
I'm not
really
drunk.
want to.
You could tell verbally I haven't had any intoxicants. What, you smell alcohol on me?
I do smell alcohol on you.
But the body cam's gonna prove verbally, guys. Like I don't
What,
want.
what does
Guys,
verbally
guys,
what does verbally
like,
prove?
like guys.
Okay,
come on.
so let me
let's
ask you
not
this
be-
then.
Like you could tell I'm coherent. Like come on, don't be.
Yes, we understand you're coherent, but we also smell alcohol.
Yeah, because
so,
I'm working in the. my friends are bartenders.
Okay,
I go,
so once again, if you're not.
no, you're trying to trick me. I'm not going to blow.
No, I'm not.
I'm going to
No, I'm
refuse
not.
because you're trying to pull, and I'm going to have my lawyer,
Okay.
Dustin. Hey,
Okay.
Dustin, watch this. I'm not
You need
guys.
to calm down.
I'm calm.
You're
but
loud
guys, you're
and you're
accusing me
screaming.
of something. I'm not drunk.
Okay, but
I get it. You're doing your job, but I'm frustrated, guys. Come on, let's be.
we
Like, I
understand
get-
you're
like, I
frustrated,
get it,
but
I
I can
reckon.
literally smell the alcohol.
I understand, but I'm not, but
emanating
you can-
from your
you can
breath.
See it. I'm not drunk. Like guys. I get it. My record, you see it, and I'm like if we're gonna go this route, I'll have my attorney deal with it. But come on, man.
Okay, so once again, all
No,
right.
I'm gonna refuse.
Okay, so you're refusing.
Yeah, just
You're
fucking
refusing.
do it.
No, listen to me.
Come on,
I want
dude.
to talk to
Like,
you for a
you're
minute.
being a-
All
come
right.
on, man.
Listen, because I got to give you this warning. All right.
I know.
So just based off the information, all
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
All right, and the smell of alcohol, we
There's
have
no
to go.
smell about- Yeah, why? Because it's on my skin? Sure. Yeah.
It's coming from you.
That's
Obviously,
okay.
we're
Let's
working.
have my attorney deal with
Okay.
it. Guys, hey, look at me. I'm coherent. Go for it. Arrest me.
You need to turn around and listen.
I'm hurt. I hurt. No, but
No.
guys, but like I'm
We got
frustrated.
things that we need to explain
We
to
understand.
you.
We're
So
trying
we
to
just
explain
need you
to
to
you.
listen.
And I have to give you. I have to notify you and give you a warning, which is called. Justin Hunter
I know.
knows that, right?
I
He
know.
knows it's a Taylor warning,
But, like,
so
you're
I
gonna
have to
throw
provide that to you.
$5,000 on me,
So
so
based
I'm
off the
frustrated.
information that
Bert.
we have right now.
Go ahead, just
okay.
arrest me, bro. I get it. Do your
So you're
disclaimer.
refusing to participate in sobriety
Yeah,
exercises.
because I'm not drunk, and
No,
it's on camera. I'm coherently fine. So go for it. Arrest me. Arrest me. Come on. I'll have my lawyer deal with it.
Okay.
Just do it. I'm sick of this shit. But no, wait. No. Wait. Let me put my watch in my car.
Okay, got
Put
it.
my watch in
But
my car,
don't
'cause you
ever
guys-
do that. But
because you
don't
guys
ever
steal,
resist.
You steal shit.
No,
No, I'm not resisting.
Okay.
I'm not resisting.
Okay.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, we're gonna put it
Dustin,
in
I'm
your
not
car.
resisting. I'm asking them to put my watch in
Okay.
my car.
Yeah.
Hunter,
But
I'm not
don't-
resisting.
All right, listen. Just
I'm not
don't put-
resisting.
Okay,
I'm not
listen.
resisting.
Just
Are
don't
my-
pull
are my
away
hands
like that.
moving? Are my hands moving? Dustin,
Just
Dustin,
don't
watch.
pull away like
Dustin,
that
watch.
again.
Don't worry, my attorney will deal with this.
Okay, fine.
Don't worry, I'm not drunk. That's the best part. I'm not even drunk, and you can tell I'm not drunk.
You got anything
Let's
else
do
in your
it.
system?
No,
You
because
seem
I'm not
very piped up.
intoxicated. You guys are fucking retarded. I'm not intoxicated, and you can hear it, and my attorney will deal with that. Because I'm not coherently slurring or nothing. You guys are fucking stupid. Go for it. Let's come on.
Yeah, I got his,
Move me to the car. Come on, do your
His watch is
Dude,
right.
that's a shame because I really like you. That's a shame. Move me to the car. Yeah, move me to the car. That's a shame, guys. It's a shame. Dustin, watch this. Yeah, let's do it. That's okay. That's what money's for. Idiots. Yeah.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
Nope. I have a dab pen, but I have a medical marijuana license. Go check it. Dab pen in my left pocket. I have a medical license on my right. Just for the record. Come on, let's do it. Fucking idiots. God forbid I have a record for DUI. Come on. Well, you want to blow me? I'm not fucking going for you. I'm not giving you that. Yeah. What are you going to find? What are you going to find? That's a shame. I like you guys. You know we work together. Why you got to do this? Come on, dude. You're a fucking retard. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll let my lawyer deal with it. That's what the lawyer practice is for. I'm going to shut up right here. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. So you're using your prior reasonable suspicion. You're looking at my prior record to determine if I'm drunk? Yeah, good job. Good job, guys. Good job. And listen to me, body cam. Do I sound fucking coherently up? Yeah, you're walking away because I sound fucking sober, right? Because I won't blow? Sorry, I won't conform to the fucking authority. You fucking faggot.
Listen.
Yeah, you.
So
you guys
you're
work
gonna get
with
a
me.
charge.
We work together. I'm on the record.
You're gonna
Look,
get a,
do I sound fucking like I'm slurring? Fucking book me.
You're resisting.
I'm not
You're
resisting.
resisting.
No,
You
I'm
need to
not
sit back
resisting.
and relax.
I'm gonna conform.
Okay,
I'm gonna conform.
you got a charge.
And you said you've got a prior. He's got two prior DUIs.
Yeah. So
And is this
he
expired?
knows. Yeah, that's expired, and it's on here. He knows that. So I'm definitely hit him with that right there. Like he knows he's until that day. So he already explained it. He put it up. He said it on Bodycam. He knew it was expired.
It's invoked.
So BPO is like the business operation that allows you to still drive and whenever you're working business.
Yeah, but that's
he
until March 5th of 26, which
Yeah.
is.
I looked it up on
Exactly.
David.
And he
Okay.
knew it was expired.
Okay, so he knew it was expired, and that was due to his 2 DUIs prior.
Exactly.
Right?
He didn't do
Okay.
his stuff on his administrative
All
side.
right. And that's the reason
He
why.
said he was on David. It said it's canceled on 6/16/2026.
No, the reason for the traffic stop is because he didn't slow down at the light and almost hit a vehicle. So you know, like yellow means slow. He fucking sped up and tried to make the light and almost hit a vehicle and 2 people.
Okay.
And I initiated the stop.
Fucking bullshit, dude. I'm not even drunk. Hey, for the record, not even drunk. This is fucking ridiculous. Like dead ass guys. Like, listen to my voice. Listen to my fucking words. I'm not slurring. Just because my record shows that I have 2 DUIs, they're gonna arrest me for suspicion? God, what? Because I don't blow? Because I don't conform? Dustin, show this to the fucking record. This is bullshit. I'm not drunk. I'm just fucking upset, guys. Prosecution, I'm upset. This is fucking like guys. Like I'm just like it's not like I'm just like fucking frustrated because now I got to spend another $5,000 on a fucking attorney to show that my innocence. This is ridiculous, and I'm gonna speak because it shows that I'm coherent. Fuck you guys. Fucking bullshit. Yeah, you got, this is recording, right? Yeah, I know it is, because I see it. Because, hey, guys, for the record, you can hear my voice. I'm not coherent. I'm not slurring. I didn't what? I refuse to blow, so the authoritarian's going to fucking reject me? No, this is bullshit. I'm going to let my attorney deal with this. Prosecution, state attorney's office, we'll deal with this in court. This is fucking ridiculous. So I'm going to speak to the court, because you can hear me, and I'm going to speak a lot. No, shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to you. I'm going to speak a lot so you can hear that I'm fucking coherent, and I'm not drunk, because I didn't blow. Attorney, prosecutor, did not fucking blow. They're going to say they smelled alcohol on my breath. That's what they do. That's what they do best. So I will deal with this in the court process, and it's a shame. It's actually a shame, because, you know, I work with you guys every day. I'm the fucking account manager for all the private parking lots. It's sad. So we'll you know, $5,000, I'll drop it down. But yeah, and God forbid I don't want to get my rights infringed. QSPD, what a fucking joke. Now I got to deal with a fucking 10-hour headache because you guys don't want to fucking man up. Fucking clowns. Absolutely fucking clowns. And you know what? It looks bad on me to freak out, but imagine me when you fucking get prosecuted every single time for some bullshit. This is fucking ridiculous, and it's on the record. That's the best part. I know it's on the record. It's on the record. Fucking cops. You could do 6 months of fucking school and they think they know everything. Yeah, go to college. Do 4 years and fucking come back to me, fucking kids. Just because their egos are too fucking big. And you know what? You can say, oh, he's being aggressive, he's being mad. No, it's the reality of the situation. It's like, guys, what are we doing? What are we doing? We're going to fucking hurt a local that serves his community, that's a board member for Habitat for Humanity, that fucking fights for fucking equal rights for everybody, just because they think they smell alcohol? Fuck off, dude. And I'll let the court process do its thing. That's why I'm talking so much. I'm not drunk. You know I'm not drunk. Look at me. I've never... Dude, I got 2 DUIs. I'm not going to drink again. This is suspicion. This is unreasonable suspicion. I'll be fighting this in court. F all of you. This is why they fucking hate you. Because you can't fucking admit when you're wrong. This is bullshit. Sorry, officer. I'll let you fucking grab me out. This is ridiculous. For the record, that's what I state. Thank you. So now they're causing hardship on me.
Right,
I'm not drunk.
Listen, I need to tell you something. All right. So there's going to be a 20-minute observation. All right. Obviously, you're still handcuffed, all right? I need you to open your mouth so I can look into your mouth, all right? Just making sure that you don't have anything, all right? So the camera's gonna be on for the next 20 minutes so that you don't touch your mouth or anything.
Right.
like
Yep. No worries. Yep. Sorry. Sorry, bro. I'm not mad at you. I'm just. 6 years, 6 months of school, and you think you know everything, right? 6 months. I went to college for 4 years. You guys think you're smarter than me. That's why we let the legal process do its thing. So let's play. Let's play. Because as you can see on the record, I'm coherent. I'm not slurring. Look at my eyes. What? Because I refuse to blow? That's the problem. Because I'm a libertarian. I don't want to infringe on my rights. So for the record, look at me. Prosecution, I'll let you decide. Yeah, keep writing. I'm irate. I'm irate for the record. Because imagine getting prosecuted 30 fucking times in a year, and you have to spend $20,000 on fucking legal fees on top of I'm on probation, and I have to deal with this. I'm not drunk. I'm mad. Innocent until proven guilty, my ass. Guilty until proven innocent. Now I gotta get a mugshot posted. The whole fucking city's gonna see this fucking mugshot. Defamation of my character. And now I gotta go fucking deal with this and go prove my innocence? What do you want me to do? Sit down? I'm sorry, bro. I'm like so fucking mad.
He refuses every test. He demands his attorney. And then the officers charge him with a crime for refusing. Was the arrest lawful? Was the refusal protected? If a driver invokes rights, stays calm, calls a lawyer, how does he still end up facing a felony? That is the question this footage forces us to answer. And the answer is not what most people expect. Under Wren versus United States, Supreme Court 1996. Any observed traffic violation justifies a traffic stop. The subject failed to reduce speed at a yellow signal and nearly struck another vehicle and 2 pedestrians. That single observation established probable cause. The stop was lawful from the first second. Under Illinois versus Caballas, officers may use their senses during a lawful stop without additional Fourth Amendment scrutiny. Odor of alcohol on breath, as distinguished from clothing, is a specific articulable fact sufficient for a DUI investigation. Field sobriety tests are voluntary. A driver may refuse them without criminal penalty. The subject correctly invoked this right, but chemical testing operates under a completely different legal framework. Florida Statute Section 316.1000. 932 establishes the implied consent doctrine. The moment a person drives on Florida public roads, they have already consented by operation of law to submit to a chemical test if lawfully arrested for DUI. That consent is not given at the roadside. It was given the moment the driver accepted a Florida license. Before requesting the test, officers must deliver the Taylor warning, named for State versus Taylor. Florida 4th DCA 1995. This warning informs the driver that refusal results in automatic license suspension. 1 year first refusal, 18 months subsequent. Officers in this footage delivered that warning. The subject refused anyway. Most drivers believe refusing a breathalyzer is a civil matter. The license suspension, nothing more. That belief is dangerously incomplete. Florida Statute Section 316.1000. 939 criminalizes a second or subsequent refusal. A second refusal after a lawful DUI arrest is a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in county jail and a $1,000 fine, independent of the underlying DUI charge itself. The subject has 2 prior DUI convictions. Officers confirmed this on camera. Whether this constitutes a subsequent refusal under Section 316.1000. 939 is now for the court. The Supreme Court addressed this in South Dakota versus Neville, 1983. Refusal to submit to chemical testing may be admitted at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. The refusal itself becomes evidence. Silence at the roadside is not silence in the courtroom. The subject was driving on a business purpose only license, a restricted license issued following prior DUI suspensions. That license expired March 5, 2026, more than 3 months before this stop. Officers confirmed the subject was aware of the expiration. Driving with knowledge that one's license is suspended violates Florida Statute Section 322.34. The knowing element, captured on camera, removes the primary defense available to first-time offenders under this charge. Under Florida Statute Section 316.193 subsection 2, a third DUI conviction within 10 years of a prior is not a misdemeanor. It is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years in state prison, a $5,000 fine. The subject stated on camera he is currently on probation. A new felony arrest while on probation typically constitutes a probation violation, allowing the court to impose any previously suspended sentence entirely separate from the outcome of the new charges. Lessons 1. Knowing your rights is not the same as understanding their limits. The right to refuse, field sobriety tests, and the implied consent obligation are 2 entirely different legal frameworks. Conflating them produces the outcome seen here. Lesson 2. Prior record does not simply affect sentencing. It elevates charges. A third DUI is not a more serious misdemeanor. It is a felony. Prior refusals are not just history. They are elements of a new criminal offense. Lesson 3. Body camera footage is a two-way evidentiary tool. Every admission on camera is equally admissible for the prosecution. Were the officers legally justified in every step they took? Does the implied consent doctrine survive constitutional challenges? And, most importantly, if a driver is genuinely sober, refuses all testing, and the prosecution cannot prove impairment beyond a reasonable doubt, can the refusal alone carry a conviction? The answer to that question is not settled. The case is pending, the outcome is unknown, and the legal questions it raises are worth following closely.